Hello students, the topic of the speech is Independence Day. Good morning respected principal, teachers, honored guests, parents and my dear friends. My name is Shubham and I'm a student of class 12. Today, as we celebrate India's 80th Independence Day, we are reminded that independence is not simply an event in history, it is a responsibility passed from one generation to the next. 79 years ago, on 15th August 1947, India became free from British rule. Our freedom was achieved through years of struggle, courage and sacrifice. Countless men and women gave up their comfort, their families and even their lives for a dream larger than themselves, a free and self-reliant India. Their sacrifice gave us the opportunity to shape our own destiny. Since then, India has transformed in remarkable ways. We have made significant progress in science, space research, technology, medicine, education, infrastructure, sports, and digital innovation. Yet, progress is not measured only by achievements. A truly developed nation is one where growth reaches every section of society and where every citizen can live with dignity and opportunity. Our diversity continues to be our strength. Different languages, cultures, traditions and beliefs coexist within one democratic nation. Protecting this unity requires tolerance, understanding and respect. As we stand at the beginning of our own professional and social journeys, the future of India is increasingly becoming our responsibility. We must not simply ask what our country can give us, but what we can give back to it. Let us carry forward the freedom we inherited with knowledge, integrity, courage and purpose and work towards an India that is progressive, inclusive, peaceful and worthy of its dreams. Happy 80th Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.